Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix ATO verification issues. When the Australian Taxation Office cannot verify your identity, start by logging into your MyGov account and checking the ATO inbox for any requested documents or alerts. Upload clear copies of your identity documents, such as passport, driver license, or Medicare card, if required. Make sure your personal details, like name, date of birth, and tax file number, match exactly across all records. Even small mismatches can trigger verification holds. If prompted, complete the voice or SMS verification steps immediately. You should also ensure your bank details are correctly registered under your name. If the system still shows issues after updating everything, wait a short period, as internal checks may take time. Then contact ATO support through MyGov for manual verification assistance. Always double-check details before resubmitting any request to avoid further delays. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.